Good morning, parents. We have decided before. You know that our children's exams, first semester exam is going to start in from November onwards, isn't it or not? 6th November onwards. But before that, we want to give children little bit practice how to write the paper. For that purpose, we are going to send them a question paper. It is a kind of a practice question paper where children your parents are going to help children to read the questions because our children are small, isn't it or not? Same way what you have to do and make them to write only the answer. That all I will explain you what to do. Okay, now as it is being decided before that I have given you timetable also. Yes or not, parents? Yes or no? So same way there is little bit change in the timetable. Not timetable, I should not say, in the timing. I think before it was given 10 o'clock, something like that. But now your paper timing will be 10:30 to 11:30 for all three subjects. That your timetable, your timing, day and date will remain as it is. Only the timing will change. Okay. Now in this you have English, Maths and Marathi. These subjects will be held. Now from tomorrow onwards, what we are going to do? We are going to give revision schedule. Revision studies will be given to children. Okay. Every day we are going to upload one question paper of revision. One day it will be English, then Maths, Marathi, like that, and with that they will have worksheet also. Okay. Now revision English revision paper will be uploaded today. Okay. And after uploading that paper, what you have to do is sit next to your child, read all the questions, and you have to make your child to write down the only answers on the full-scape paper. I think if you are try to get the full-scape paper or plain paper, but use full-scape paper, so your children will be habitual of writing the paper on a full-scape. For that purpose, I am saying it. Okay. Now for the paper will be of 30 marks. The revision paper will be of 30 marks. Worksheet will not have any marks. What you have to do is, you have, please, as our children are small, read the question for paper, that questions for children, and ask them to write down the answers. So this way they will get a practice of writing the answers on the full-scape or on the paper, how to write the answer. Now just I'll show you how to write the paper, answers on the paper. What you have to do? Take one full-scape paper. On that full-scape paper, child should write the subject. Child should write the subject. After writing subject, every day this you have to do whenever we are giving them practice paper. Okay, after writing subject, they have to write date, and the name of the child. Child's roll number. Already I have sent the roll number to you people. Standard and division. And then, now suppose one question is there. Question number 1. MCQ question is there. In MCQ questions, they are having 3 options, isn't it or not? So, from that 3 options, they should choose any one option, and question number 1, that answer that child should write over here. Is it clear? Same way, question number 2, some questions will be there. Then the child will have 3 options. He has to choose that from the 3 options, any correct option, and write the A, B, whatever it is, the child should write it over here. Same way, say third one also like that. So this was an example. Now let us take match the following also. For match the following also, they will have words over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words will be there. On the other side, they will have options, the correct answer. What they should do? Now number 1, and here it will be A, B, C, D, whatever it is. So number 1's answer is what? B. So child should write over here B. Number 2's answer is what? A. So child should write it over here A. In this way, child should write the answers on the full-scape paper in a good and neat writing and very clearly. Okay, now this was regarding the revision test paper. With that, this revision test paper will be of 30 marks. With that, they will also have a worksheet also will be given to you. With English, maths, every day it will keep on changing. Okay, so worksheet only they have to answer the questions whatever is given in the worksheet as usually what we were doing. Now second part, what you have to do, this paper, what revision paper we are giving the practice to the children of examination. Every day what they should do, after complete you have to make your children to complete the paper. After completing the paper before 10 o'clock, because I will upload the question paper by 9 o'clock. After 10 o'clock you have to send me back that paper. Click the photo of the paper and send it to me in personal. Not in group. Send it in a personal. And after that I will check it. And then I will give the feedback of that. The timing to send the paper is by 10 o'clock. How we are sending attendance? No, 10 o'clock, that way only, not by 3, because I have very good experience. Some are sending attendance by 3 o'clock also. So please don't do that. It's a request. Send the photo of that answer sheet paper or practice paper by 10 o'clock only. Is it clear to everybody? And then I will correct the paper and give you the feedback, what correction has to be done. With that, I will also send a answer key. Answer key means where, but that answer key I will send afterwards, after 10 o'clock. So you will also get an idea, but please don't ask you to write down all the answers over there. Okay, and you will also get the idea of what type of answers are there. So in this way you can take revision of your child. They will get practice also and they will become habitual. Normally we take it these all things in the school, but there is no other option. That's why we are doing. And worksheet also must be completed in a time. It's a request to all the parents. Please send everything in a time.